Refraction of light. Try this. Material: glass, 5 rupee coin, pencil, metallic vessel, etc. Activity 1. Take a transparent glass and fill it with water. Dip some portion of a pencil vertically in water and observe the thickness of the portion of the pencil in water. Now, keep the pencil inclined to water surface and observe its thickness. In both cases, the portion of the pencil inside water appears to be thicker than the portion above water. In the second case, the pencil appears to be broken near the surface of water. Why does it happen? Activity 2. Keep a 5 rupee coin in a metallic vessel. Slowly go away from the vessel. Stop at the place when the coin disappears. Keep looking in the direction of the coin. Ask a friend to slowly fill water in the vessel. You will be able to see the coin once the level of water reaches a certain height. Why does it happen? In both the above activities, the observed effects are created due to the change in the direction of light while coming out of water. Light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. This is called the refraction of light. Activity 3. Keep a glass slab on a blank paper and draw its outline PQRS as shown above. Draw an inclined straight line on the side of PQ so that it intersects PQ at N. Pierce 2 pins vertically at 2 points A and B along the line. Look at the pins A and B from the opposite side of the slab and pierce pins C and D vertically so that the images of A and B are in line with C and D. Now, remove the chip and the pins and draw a straight line going through points C and D so that it intersects SR at M. Join points M and N. Observe the incident ray AN and emergent ray MD. The refraction occurs when light ray enters the glass from air at N on the side PQ. The second refraction occurs when light enters air through glass at point M on the side SR. For the first refraction, the angle of incidence is I, while for the second it is I1. The angle of refraction at N is R. Note that I1 is equal to R. In the second refraction, the angle of refraction is E, which is equal to I. On both parallel sides, PQ and RS of the glass slab, the change in direction of light ray is equal but in opposite directions. Thus, the light ray MD emerging from the glass slab is parallel to the incident ray AN on the side PQ of the slab. But the emergent ray is somewhat displaced with respect to the incident ray. Use your brain power. Will light travel through a glass slab with the same velocity as it travels in air? Answer. Light will not travel through a glass slab with the same velocity as it travels in air. Will the velocity of light be same in all media? Answer. The velocity of light will not be the same in all media.